Listen here, Ailir. Stop dwelling on your failure. Grow some balls. I'll get you back for the second half. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. We need you for the second half. Put in more willy. Put in some graft. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid.
Thanks for trying to boost my mojo. Though your toxic chants are a no-go, coach.
I might sound out of touch, but you take it from me. You need a boot up the arse, not some TLC.
But after that foul, I'm really shaken. And your first aid assessments may be a little mistaken. I need to rest and assess what went wrong in my first half. I made the right pick, zero.
Stop rewinding and rewatching those replays. Just focus on the second half.
You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. We need you for the second half. Put in more willy. Put in some graft. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a pussy. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up.
It's only a scratch.
Toughen up.
You can't lose this match.
Toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up. Don't be a worse kid. You've got to toughen up.
Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Get on that field and play the bloody game.